My favorite composer to sing is Handel. I just find that I connect to his music in this very kind of deep emotional way, and I feel like it speaks to me in a way that no other composer's music does. I got asked by Philharmonia Baroque Orchestra, which is perhaps the preeminent Baroque orchestra in the United States, to sing King David and Handel's Saul in a run of concert performances in Berkeley, Palo Alto, San Francisco, and in Los Angeles. Handel really develops the character of David extraordinarily in his music, and so there are a few really amazing, fast, strong arias that show this mighty warrior David who slayed Goliath. And then there are a number of these just beautiful slow arias that show this sensuality that attracts everyone to him so deeply. For me, all performing is about emotional connection, living in the moment and helping transport the audience with you. Making my debut with Philharmonia Baroque Orchestra in this role is just an immense opportunity for which I'm very grateful. It's been so nice to have my dad here in San Francisco this week. My parents both live in New York. They don't get to hear me as often as they'd like or I'd like. And it's funny, you know, in our family we often say, like, no one knows where I got this gift. I don't come from a musical family at all. My dad is like an IT business analyst. My mom's a journalist. My dad loves music. He was a Deadhead and he really loves classic rock especially, and he feels music very deeply. And, you know, just seeing him in the front row beaming and crying all verklempt, as we say, and, you know, it's just amazing to share in these kinds of very special moments with him. So I'm currently in residence here at San Francisco Opera, where I'm what's called an Adler Fellow. And so the Adler Fellows are kind of, we're like the young artists, or the artists in residence, I think is what they call us. I'm making my San Francisco Opera debut this June as Medoro in Handel's Orlando. And I'm so excited that my debut here with, you know, what's now kind of my home company will be in a principal role, which is something that as an Adler Fellow is very rare. You know, I think often of how lucky am I that I get to do what I love. It's bringing meaning to people who are in search of something when they come to see a live operatic or musical performance, and I'm getting paid to do that. I mean, how lucky can you be?